Find the sixth term and the sum of the first 5 terms of the geometric series 12 over 25 minus 6 over 5 plus 3 minus, because the next term will be minus. So we've got alternating minus and plus geometric series here. So this is the series. If we want to find the common ratio, then we need to take the second term and divide it by the first term. Remember, this is minus 6/5 divided by 12/5, which is minus 6/5 times 25 over 12. See, the 5 will go into 25 5 times, and then the 6 will go into 12 2 times, and into 6 1. So we get a common ratio of minus 5 over 2. And that's minus because it alternates between being minus, positive, minus. Right. To find the sixth term, un is arn minus 1. This gives us the formula for finding any term in the geometric series. So we're going to have u6, because we want the sixth term, is going to be the first term. The first term was 12 over 25 times the common ratio. Don't forget it's minus 5 over 2 to the 6 minus 1. So they'll give me u6 is 12 over 25 times minus 5 over 2 to the power of 5. Then carefully on our calculator, using the fraction button and putting in brackets, we will get that the sixth term will be minus 375 over 8. Now, to find the sum of the first 5 terms, the sum formula is Sn is a 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. So the sum of the first 5 terms will be the first term, which is 12 over 25. Now we have to be extremely careful here. We've got minus 1 minus 5 over 2 to the power of 5 over 1 minus 5 over 2. So writing that out again. Right, so being careful here, so we're going to have 12 over 25. Now 1 minus 5 over 2 to the power of 5 is plus 3,125 over 32. Now it's plus because when you raise this to the power of 5, it will be negative, and negative and a negative will make it plus. And then on the bottom, we're going to get 1 plus 5 over 2, which is 7 over 2. And then if we do 12 over 25 divided by 7 over 2, we're going to get 24 over 175. And then 1 plus 3,125 over 32 becomes 3,157 over 32. And then we're going to multiply those together using the fraction button on our calculator to get 1,353 over 100, or 13.53. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the common ratio, find a particular term and a sum from a geometric series. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.